what we have here is mk5 Astra, broken spring. Right. Oh, there you go. The coil out here. Right. This original springs. I did one last year on it. I'll give everything a good soaking with WD-40. I burnt the end of my stick in the WD-40, so it's making things look a bit wonky. Pretty simple. Take the wheel off. 2 18mm bolts, anti-roll bar, clips at the top, and well, I'll pop back in a couple of minutes and I'll show you how far on it. A new drop link to go on it anyway, so, but as you can see, strap and all that's out of it, ready for a new spring. So just packing up. It's starting to rain here just now, so we'll be back at this in a wee while. So I'll just leave that there just now. I'll show you the spring. Hang on a second, I'll go back here and I'll show you the spring. Right, that's your spring there. So we want to take that cap off and compress that spring with a new spring to go on it. It's naked, and my mole grips are still on the thing there, but I'll buzz that off with the gun. Right, okay then guys, next time you'll see this, we'll be putting it all back together. I don't know, I might film taking the spring off it, we won't see. New spring, new drop link, everything back the way it should be. Just ready to put a wheel on. Right, move on to the next part. Handbrake not working, handbrake not working on right hand side. Okay, one man on the mountain. Brake mechanism on the back of Astra. Sorry, the camera works rubbish. That bolt up there, 13mm bolt. But sometimes you have to take them apart and clean them. This one is actually not sticking, but not so much going on. There might be a little bit of adjustment in it, I'm not sure. I'll have to look. But pull the handbrake on slowly. Right, stop there. Pull up a wee bit more. Right, let up. Right, okay. Right, I'll cut back to you. I'm going to try and free this off. Lower wishbone. 18mm there on the ball joint. 18mm at the back. 18mm at the front. All fairly easy to do. I'll probably have to use a ball joint breaker on here, on this beside the disc, right here where Mick's looking now above his head. Use a ball joint splitter there and break that down. Nice. Next part you'll see is putting in a new one, right? Okay. Wishbone on, all connected. Pinch bolt back in position, and we'll go around the back there and show you. That bolt up here. So that should be all this jobs on this Astra done. We did fix the handbrake as well. We wound the piston all the way out and wound it back in again. So hopefully that's cured the handbrake issue. Seems to have. So there we go. So hopefully that'll be this car for another year. Right. Well, thank you all very much for tuning in to Ollie Mac Mechanical. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to leave me a like. I've got a few stickers, so one's Tinker and Taylor. We're going to stick that on the back of the car. That's where most of you know I put my stickers. So if I can get it off the back end. I've got no nails. I've got no nails. Alright. Hold it again. That's a round one.
You've got an empty space.
So, here, beside Dusty Blonde. And the next one we've got is Scrapman Dan. That's a pretty cool sticker.
YouTube.
Okay. So in fact, we'll put that on Tina's side because we have one last one, which is Snobby Scrap Picker. I love scrap. See I drive scrap.
I love scrap.
There we go. So we've now got Snobby Scrap Picker, Dusty Blonde, Rice Boy, Scotland, Fixed Drive, Ride Fly, Mark V8, Scotty Daniel, You Coons, I Love Scrap, Tinkin and Taylor, Dusty Blonde, Snobby Scrap Picker, Ali Mac Mechanical, Braveheart, and Scrapman Dan. So thanks very much for tuning in, guys. Mind leave us a like.